Hello and welcome to this video tutorial on configuring the work areas in ManuDyn Cloud 9. If this is the first time your system has been configured, a configuration wizard will be displayed and the top two items should be marked as completed if you have worked through the previous videos in the Getting Started series. The next item on the checklist is to configure work areas. To do so, click on this link, or if you don't see the wizard, go to the System Settings menu group and click the Work Areas menu item. The Work Areas page is similar to other data entry screens in ManuDyn in that there is a blue toolbar at the top of the content area where we can enter the record that we wish to work with. In the field located in the blue toolbar, we need to enter the work area that we use during the manufacturing process. In my case, I will enter Machining as the work area and then press the Tab key to move into the Data Entry tab. The system has loaded in the specifics for the entered work area. If we have entered a new record, the Details tab will contain the default system values. The priority sets the display order when viewing work areas. The recovery rate is the estimated cost per hour of use, which is used in estimating and recording the labour costs of a quote or job. The efficiency percentage can be used to alter the time that is scheduled for jobs passing through this work area. A setting of 100% would use the time indicated on the job. A setting of 50% would schedule double the amount of time indicated on the job. The minutes per hour is used in combination with the hours per standard day to set the available capacity per day. The average wait time sets how much time is added to the scheduled time for each job passing through this work area. When finished setting the work area specifics, click on the Process Details tab to set the defaults that will be applied when this work area is listed in an item routing. The first default to be entered is the setup time. This time will be used for costing and scheduling. You can enter a number into the setup time field, or you can enter a formula to be calculated when this work area is added to an item. For my example, I will use 30 minutes as the setup time. The next default to be entered is the process time. This time will be multiplied by the number of units being produced when costing and scheduling. You can enter a number into the process time field, or you can enter a formula to be calculated when this work area is added to an item. For my example, I will use a formula of number of passes times 0.25. The last default to be entered is the process detail, which is the instruction that will appear on the job ticket and factory screen during job selection. I will enter load program code, feed bar into machine loader. I have now finished entering my work area and can save this record by clicking on the save icon in the blue toolbar, or I can save and close the record by clicking the OK button at the bottom of the tab. If you need to enter additional work areas, you can do so now by repeating the same procedure. Once you are finished, you can return to the home page by clicking the Home Page button at the top of the screen, or by clicking on the Exit button in the toolbar. In the next video tutorial, we will configure the product types for the system. Click on the link to start the next video.